Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Word mobile app and inserting the photo you want. Tap the image to show the picture toolbar. This is where tools live. Once visible, crop or resize so the subject fills the frame. This speeds detection and reduces errors. Make sure your phone is steady and the image contrast is clear, because Word relies on visible edges. When ready, look for the Remove Background icon or Format Picture options to begin the automated removal process. Now you use the Remove Background command in the Picture Format toolbar. Tap Remove Background and let Word run its automatic pass. You will see a purple mask over removed regions. If the result misses sections, choose Mark Areas to keep and tap Problematic Spots. If it removes too much, use Mark Areas to remove. Zoom in for detailed edges around hair or complex shapes. Once the selection looks right, apply the change to commit the transparent background to your image. Finish by applying the removal and tapping outside the image to confirm. Save the document or export the image as PNG to keep transparency. JPEG will fill with white. If edges look jagged or halos remain, reopen Remove Background and refine with the Mark tools, or replace with a higher resolution photo before repeating. When things go wrong, make sure the app is updated, restart it, and if Word struggles, try a dedicated mobile background remover, then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.